Well, to carry on with my dramas of the trying to tune the ski, it looks like I let it ski load up, get a little too much fuel in it, and cranked it up, and this happens. Huge crack right here. Ruptured my muffler, my water box, whatever you want to call it. On this right here, and I'm sure there's plenty of y'all that have them, but I got the TDR muffler, so we're going to try this out. And I also got a little old billet gas cap, because I kind of dropped this one and chipped it all up like that, so I figured, hey, go ahead and get this. While I was doing it, they were actually cheaper at that Lotion, that website. They were a lot cheaper, and they were even $20 cheaper for this muffler out of all the other websites I found for a brand new one. So I would suggest checking them out if you were looking to buy one. But we're going to do a sound test of the original muffler compared to this one, since I have my buddy's muffler, because obviously mine is not working anymore. So stick around. I seem to struggle with getting this strap off just about every time. Alright, here it is, fully installed. Was able to reuse all my hoses and everything, reuse this one, and then I just kind of twisted this one around a bunch of times and then just hooked it back in the same spot, so it's in there pretty good. We'll give it a try and see how it does. I know I showed you I had twisted that a bunch. Well, it wasn't holding it secure enough in my mind, so I did do the knot here and a knot here, and that's actually got it really good and tight. Good and tight. So now we're going to try a sound test of this. Here we go.